hydrogen is an emerging sector that combines environmental sustainability with compelling investment opportunities. To understand what makes it green, we need to explore the nuances of hydrogen, the varying sources and colors, and the market potential that it presents. Hydrogen, a versatile energy carrier that can be sourced from a diverse array of channels, each of which uses a different color as a shorthand label for its source. The waning popularity of gray hydrogen, derived from fossil fuels, can be attributed to its notable carbon emissions. Blue and turquoise hydrogen offer a greener alternative to gray hydrogen through the incorporation of carbon capture technologies. Additionally, we have pink and purple hydrogen, generated using nuclear energy, that outperform both gray and blue hydrogen in terms of environmental cleanliness. Nevertheless, our central focus remains on green hydrogen, which we believe possesses the power to transform our planet for the better. Green hydrogen is produced through electrolysis using renewable energy sources like wind or solar power. It's clean, sustainable, and emits nothing but water vapor, opening up a world of investable market opportunities. The demand for clean energy solutions is on the rise, and green hydrogen is poised for remarkable growth. Governments, corporations, and forward-thinking entrepreneurs all recognize its potential to transform various sectors. Green hydrogen boasts a wide range of end uses. It can revolutionize transportation, offering clean energy alternatives for vehicles, trains, planes, and even ships. It can bolster energy storage systems, ensuring grid stability in the face of intermittent renewable energy sources. We believe this holds promise in industries seeking sustainable manufacturing processes such as steel, cement, ammonia, and others. It can even be used in agriculture to facilitate sustainable fertilizer production, further reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. However, it is important to note that the green hydrogen economy is currently in its early stages and faces high cost of production. In short, green hydrogen offers a unique opportunity to align financial success with environmental stewardship. So we believe you should embrace the green hydrogen wave, where sustainability will meet profitability. The future is bright, it's clean, and it's painted in shades of green.